and welcome back to another video here of Sophia's Bridal on YouTube. So today we are doing our first in a series called Fact or Cap with Kat. So our stylist Kat is going to walk you through some bridal myths and some bridal truths and kind of just go through in depth on each of those, which is super fun. So this is the first in a series, and if you're ready to meet Kat, here we go.
Hi, welcome to Fact or Cap with Kat. I'm Kat. I'm a stylist here at Sophia's. I'm also the tux specialist. I'm going to be going over some myths in the bridal world. The first myth being that you have to wear white on your wedding day. Now, first to explain, a true bridal white has a lot of hues of blue in it. So looking at these dresses that I pulled today, you might think that this dress would be considered white, but it is an ivory. So most of the time when you're picturing a white wedding dress, ivory is really what you're picturing in the bridal world. So I have a couple of different colors here and different options that we have at our store. We have black wedding dresses. This dress is actually considered a sunset color. We have ivory over mocha. We also have this ivory over ivory, and then ivory over cashmere. Now when I say ivory over another color, we're kind of looking at this design on top. So these appliques and this beading, this is the ivory, and that undertone would be that secondary color. So it is a myth. You don't necessarily have to wear white on your wedding day or ivory. We have dresses in many other colors here at the store as well. At the end of the day, it's what makes you feel beautiful and special on your day. So today we've talked about, this segment is all about fact or cap. We've talked about some caps, some myths about the bridal world. Today I want to talk about a fact as well, which is trust your stylist. Here at Sophia's, all of our stylists, we are here for you. Our title might be stylist, but I promise you at the end of the day, we are your hype women, your stylist, your girlfriend, all of this and more. We are whatever you need us to be. We help you from the beginning of your journey of finding your style to then pairing accessories, finding the perfect veil, helping with your bridesmaids dresses, helping with tuxes, and so much more here at Sophia's. We are here for you. We are honored to be a part of your journey. And I promise every day when I go home, I can't wait to talk about my brides because it's the best part of my day. It's my favorite part of my job. And I'm sure the other girls here at the store can say that as well. So trust your stylist. We are here to be in your corner, to be whatever you need us to be. So another common question that we have here at the store is, what kind of style will look best on my body type? Here at Sophia's, we really pride ourselves on having multiple sizes in the store. So we had a wide array of sizing in every style of dress, which is really nice because no matter what size you are, you can try on anything here at our store. And two, we really pride ourselves with working with designers that also have a nice array of size ranging when we order the dresses. So you can see here, I have two different mannequins. I know some of our petite brides, they're worried that a ball gown, for example, might overpower them. And some of our curvier brides, something that they have stated before trying on dresses as well, is they're not sure if the dress will have enough structure, if it's more tight fitting. Honestly, our designers have great structure, great boning, but at the end of the day, it's all about you feeling beautiful. So it doesn't, you can wear whatever style that you like. I have two different size mannequins here. We have a ball gown and a fitted dress. So at the end of the day here at Sophia's, we really want to focus on how a dress makes you feel. Another common question that we have here, and kind of a myth in the bridal world, is that you have to wear certain undergarments under your dress. So I've got two different style dresses here to show you. I've got a fitted sheath, which is just more of like a fitted kind of tight all throughout the dress. And you can see here, just looking at it, you wouldn't really know what kind of structure this dress has. It's a little sheer through here at the top, but when you look at the back, there's plenty of padding, and I don't know if you can see here these lines that run through the dress. That's boning all through that. So even though this dress seems a little, you know, more sheer than some other dresses, it still has really great structure that you wouldn't necessarily need to wear anything underneath it. That's really just a preference per bride. After alterations, even if you were to get a, let's say, strapless dress or an off the shoulder like this dress that I have here, you might think, oh, a strapless dress or a dress that has off the shoulder, that won't be supportive enough. But after alteration, a dress should really be molded to you. It shouldn't go anywhere. So whether you have a strap or not, these dresses were designed to have great structure. And even with this dress, let me unzip it here, you can see too the boning that I was talking about in the other dress as well. So lines kind of carry through all in the top of this dress here. And I can kind of show you a little bit closer here. But there are lines throughout, and that's the boning of the dress. So that's what adds that durability, that structure into a dress and gives you that support at the end of the day. And I don't know if you noticed the bra cup in the other dress, it was a little bit different than the bra cup of this dress. Most seamstresses will change out the bra cups per bride so that it fits nicely. So at the end of the day, I would say this myth that you have to wear certain undergarments is really just a myth. It all just depends on preference. So another myth that we hear a lot here at the store is that you have to cry when you find your dress. And not necessarily. I will say, just like how every bride is different, every bride's emotions are different. If you're somebody in a day-to-day life that might get emotional over happy things, then it might be more common for you to cry. If that is not you, then don't put the pressure on yourself there either. We have brides that just have a rush of emotions with nothing else, and that's okay. We have brides that tear up, and that's okay. We have brides that cry, and that's great. That's okay for them. I think just like how every bride finds a different dress, all emotions are different too. It's easy to put that pressure out there that you think that there is something that will happen when you're in the dress, and maybe there is a feeling that happens, but it doesn't have to be that way. And at the end of the day, I think too, all that matters is how you feel. But if you do cry, we've got tissues available.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. We hope that you enjoyed this first video.